Let me share with you a short story of how I got into this journey of manifestation and quantum healing. As a mother, I was very enthusiastic and a very keen learner, and always wanted the best for my daughter. And in that pursuit, I wanted to live the best life and I wanted to have a quality lifestyle. So for me, quality meant high thoughts, thinking high thoughts, uh, you know, living in a simple way, always upgrading yourself, not being stagnant in your life in terms of your skills. Me, learning was one of my greatest value system, learning and growth. As I started evolving on this journey, I learned that for a very long time I had this conflict. How can I believe in manifestation when my value system is faith and surrender? How could I even manifest on my own terms, Or rather, I always feared that if I manifested something and if God didn't want that for me, it could go wrong. So, for many years, I surrendered, but I didn't know that only uh, words were not enough to manifest. It was actually energetically what I was feeling. So, energetically, I was always living in lack, in low self worth. I was not confident enough, and I was always into that victim mode. And I feel that energetically, whatever you are and whatever your negative self talk is towards yourself, you actually create those things in your life. And at the same frequency, you attract people, circumstances, and events in your life. So, although I was very mindful of the words that I spoke, I surrendered to God. I had that power to surrender and live in that faith. But still, somewhere energetically, I was not happy with my own self. I never loved myself. I did not even like myself. So, and I was a people pleaser totally. So, those were the things unknowingly, unconsciously, I was attracting in my life. And years later, recently, when I learned the power of manifestation, the power of your mind, and how your mind, your heart, they play a huge role in designing your life, in creating your reality. I realized that energetically I was creating negative things in my life. That is when I firmly decided that now I need to take charge of my life. And that is where manifestation came into my life. I thought to myself that if all these years I have manifested unconsciously negative things in my life, then why not consciously try and manifest good things in my life? And whether you believe it or not, whether you have trust or faith in manifestation or not, you cannot deny that, because it is a law. It is a law of the universe, and it is going to work out. Whatever you feel, whether you want to believe or you don't want to believe, you are manifesting every minute, moment to moment, you are manifesting. So, this is where my journey started, and today here I am. And in the past 2-3 years, I have created miracles in my life by consciously being aware of my thoughts, by consciously focusing my attention on the things that I only want and not on the things that bother me or drain me or pull back my energy. Okay, so this is where I wanted to share my journey of how I got into manifestation. And then rest is history. I got certified as a manifestation coach from a celebrity coach. Then I did my quantum healing certification. I'm a quantum healer. I'm a yoga expert, certified, internationally certified yoga expert. I'm also a passionate baker at heart. So I bake delicious, healthy breads at home, and I also teach. And I have always upgraded myself. I believed in pursuing your passion and your skills, and not being stagnant in life. For me, growth and building my skills is of the highest value. And so this is it. In the next video I will come up with more of the things that I did on this journey, and how I became my better version, and I'm still on this journey of becoming a role model for my daughter. And this is my value today that I love to share, that has helped me to evolve as a better human being. I love to share it with my audience and with all my friends and family. So thank you so much for watching this. See you again in the next video.